spacious nice hotel comfortable stay. Capital 26256 Hotel Unity, a welcoming stay for families in Ahmedabad. Welcome to Capital 26256 Hotel Unity, a charming 3-star hotel nestled in the vibrant city of Ahmedabad, India. With its convenient location and warm hospitality, this hotel offers a delightful stay for both business and leisure travelers. At Capital 26256 Hotel Unity, guests can enjoy a hassle-free check-in process starting from 12 p.m. The friendly staff is always ready to welcome you with a smile and assist you with any queries or requests you may have. When it's time to bid farewell, the checkout time is until 11 a.m., allowing you to have a relaxed morning before continuing your journey. Families traveling with young children will find Capital 26256 Hotel Unity to be a perfect choice. The hotel's child policy allows children between the ages of 3 to 5 to stay free of charge. This thoughtful policy ensures that families can enjoy a comfortable and affordable stay without any additional expenses. With spacious and well-appointed rooms, the hotel provides a cozy and secure environment for families to relax and unwind after a day of exploring the city.